Hey, what's going on? This is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. So a few nights ago, I had made a video on ShineOn Print on Demand. It's an e-commerce company that it does print on demand jewelry. So just like there's other companies that do print on demand T-shirts, mugs, paintings, canvases, whatnot, ShineOn specializes in jewelry. So in the previous video, I gave you a little bit of a history on the company, the owner, my relationship with them, how much myself and my business partner have done with them. I will put that link in the video below so you can go back and watch that video if you haven't yet. What I wanted to do today is just a quick demo to show you how the platform works, because that video is running a little bit long. I didn't want to do the demo on the same video, so I said I will do that. So anyways, let me go ahead and share my screen. All right, so yeah, I had just tested it out to make sure that the system's running, but I deleted that product so we can go ahead and do it again. So this is your ShineOn platform. Now remember, the link to sign up will be in the description area below. It'd be nicholaslau.com/ShineOn, and it'll just redirect to my affiliate link. So I would love it if you guys could sign up under me. That way I get credit for your sign up. Also, by doing that, you'll get a 15-minute phone call with me where we can discuss some strategies, get to know each other better, and see how I can help you out. And then also I will give you tutorials that I will not be putting on YouTube because those are some of my secrets. So the people that sign up under my affiliate link, I will give you access to those videos so we can get you going a little bit faster with some of the strategies that work for me. All right, so now let's go. Oh, and just so you all know, like in the previous video, we showed our Shopify store, and in that video I had mentioned that we want to fully move over to this platform. Shopify, we've made a lot of money there, but it's just getting a little expensive, and my business partner and I have been moving on to different ventures, and we just prefer to use this ShineOn platform now. So like I said, there's pros and cons. The cons is that if you wanted to sell your store eventually, then it's more beneficial to have a Shopify store. That's your asset, it's your domain, and you could sell the store. On ShineOn Platform, you're actually selling on their platform. The good thing about that is everything is pretty much done for you. You don't have to worry about customer service. You don't have to worry about monthly costs and everything. So we're going to go ahead and switch over to this platform. Yeah, we have made $3.5 million in revenue on Shopify, but just some personal things that we're changing our business model and everything, and doing some other things that we've got ourselves into. And Shopify is just not something we want to pursue any further. So, and like I said, when you're in these print-on-demand companies, unless you've really done a great job at branding yourself, it's not that easy to flip a store. So don't think that you're just going to flip a store for $1 million. Just because the store made $1 million doesn't mean you're going to sell it for $1 million. It doesn't work like that. So anyways, back to this point. So this is the actual ShineOn platform, so you can sell on their platform. So we're going to go to, are we already there? Yeah, we're going to go products. We're going to go add new. Okay, so you'll get to see all the different products that they have going on here. They have keychains and everything. They have, what do you call this? Crucifix, crosses, circles, hearts. So my favorite one, the one that made our store the most money, is the heart necklace. I would say a distant second was the dog tags, but the heart necklaces is what, seems like 90% of our sales were. So let me show you how to do one of those. Okay. Let's just go to Daddy. Let me see if I can see them better like this. There we go. All right, so let's just pick that one. It's the same example I used in the previous video when I was showing you what the platform looks like. So now it's uploading these. Now, these designs, they have a specific template. So you download the template, give it to your designer so they know what parameters, what the dimensions need to be. And like I said, if you sign up under my affiliate link, I will let you have access to my designer. So I'll help you with your designs and everything, get you off to a good start. So now that we've uploaded it, we continue to the product assets. For some reason, the uploads take a little time when I'm screen sharing on Zoom like this, but there you go. See, now you have your design on a beautiful necklace. You have these amazing looking mock-ups that really help sell them. They look really nice and professional. So now you just put your title into my daughter. Daddy loves you, silver or gold, heart-shaped necklace. You could title it however you want. That's just how I do. You want to make sure it sounds professional and you load it with as many keywords as you want. Don't use too many characters. Otherwise it just gets out of hand. But this is roughly about how you want to make it. They have all this pre-done text. If you don't want to say anything they have in there, like if you don't want to give 100% guarantee, that's fine. You can just delete it. You can change it. This is all editable. All right, here are the default prices. You could just leave it alone. You could lower it. You can raise it. So the base cost is only $12. Your cost for this necklace is only $12, and you can sell it for almost $40. So that tells you the amazing potential here. So the silver necklace is $12, about $11.97, and the gold one is $17.97. So a lot of room to make money here. Plus, if they get the back personalized, like it shows here, you can put a little bit of line. You get 2 lines up to 20 characters each. I would not use all 20 characters. I would, you could put it in the description and just let them know that if you personalize it, you could do 20 characters per line, but you would stress that they don't use all 20 characters, because the more characters you use, the smaller the font gets. Okay, so that would make sense, right? The longer your message is and you're trying to put it in a tight area, the fonts will get smaller. So you want to try to tell people to try to keep the message brief, okay? But it's an extra $15 upsell, right? So you're going to make another $8 or $9 there. If you're selling on Facebook, you put your Facebook pixel in here. And if you're tracking on Google, you put your Google Analytics in there. We'll just leave all that alone. We'll go ahead and publish. I don't know why that pops up. Okay, it's probably going to take a few minutes for it to upload. In the meantime, we can do another one. I can show you the dog tag. So we'll go here. And we'll go to downloads. Dog tag. Okay. So another similar message. And like I said, we happen to be in the family niche. So you could do whatever you want. I'm sorry, my sinus is bothering me tonight. It's like I feel like I can barely breathe. But some people are in the military niche. Some people just do exclusively gifts for wives. We kind of do everything in the family niche. So like I said, it's a blank canvas. You could do whatever you want with it. You could do trending items. For example, unfortunately, Kobe Bryant passed away recently, and some people are doing little tribute necklaces and stuff. I personally won't do that. I will never take advantage of a tragedy. I will never profit off somebody's death. Even when people say that, hey, we're donating all the proceeds and stuff, it's hard to believe. So for me personally, unless it was from the family, the charitable foundation, or the NBA, I'm not going to buy it. That's just my thing. So that's just my word of advice. Don't do that whole thing. Never let a tragedy go to waste. Don't do that. So I'm just telling you that some people do that. Maybe down the road you could do something like that, but never after somebody passes away. Try to be better than that, and just stick to other things. So anyways, like I said, their design templates are here. Go ahead and click that. So continue to product assets, just like we did last time. So like I said, these assets below, it'll give you the template to give your designer. And look at how beautiful that dog tag looks. And this is a very, very high quality dog tag. We're not talking about just like a plastic little tin. It's thick. It has like this glass coated cover. It's really special. And that's why these are really good for the military niche. You can market exclusively that and do so well. So you can say, to my daughter, never forget silver or gold dog tag. Yep, see, it's the gold one. And, pretty much the same pricing. There's no difference on the pricing between the dog tag and the heart necklace. So same thing, publish. While that's publishing, let's go back to products. Oh yeah, there it is. So that's the one we originally did. So if you click that, there it is. Now it is live. This is an actual page that you can market. People can come here. You can make your sales and everything. So if they want the gold one, they just click on the gold one, and you see the price changes by $10. And you know, it's a best-selling product, USA made. I don't want to do notifications. When people leave reviews, they can see that. It has a little call to action here, or a little scarcity. Um, Handmade, made in the USA. It has all the little tags you need, 100% guarantee, blah, blah, blah. US delivery time, 2 to 5 business days, international, 5 to 10. I believe you could edit these. I'm not sure exactly how. I just kind of leave all that alone. So, like I said, it's a very professional looking page. I mean, everything you want. If I landed on this page, there's nothing to me that says that, oh, is this page real? Can I trust it? All the trust factors are there, and you know, it has everything that you need. And then look, HTTPS. So it is a secure site. So if anybody has an issue with that, at least you can tell them it is a secure site. So that's pretty much that. Like I said, if you go into the settings, you can set, you know, how you want to get paid, your address. I don't want to click on it because all my personal information is there. They have different sales tools that you can use. So you just kind of go through. And then they have a really good help section. So anything you need, all the questions are pretty much answered. Plus there's the Facebook group that I showed you in the last video. Plenty of support there. You put a question, somebody that works for the company or even another vendor will get back to you. It's a very supportive community. Okay, so we'll just close that out. Whenever you sell an item, like I said, this is my demo account. This is not our active account. So all of their information will be here. If you want to export your leads, you can. That way you can upload the emails into your autoresponder, and you can do some follow-ups. So you have that. Let's go back to products. Let's see if the dog tag is done. Yep, dog tag is done. Click. Look at that. You can zoom in. Just a really, really beautiful dog tag. And like I said, if they want to personalize the back, go ahead. Your words here. Like I said, the more letters you use, these fonts will continue to get smaller and smaller. It's 20 fonts per line. I believe that is the maximum. And if you ever have any questions, you could always reach out to support and everything. They'll help you out. So anyways, okay, I don't want to drag this on very long. I think that was pretty self-explanatory. You have your designer make designs based on the templates they give you, so they know what your designer will know what size it is. And then you just download your file, upload it into the system, and boom, within a few minutes, you have live products that you can sell. I'm so much easier. That's why we're moving to this, because Shopify, it's kind of a process. There's just too many things that are going on. Like I said, we love Shopify. It's a great platform and stuff. We're just changing our business direction. So eventually our domain name that is with Shopify, we'll just have it redirect here to the platform. And we just prefer everything is nice and smooth, very fast, streamlined process. So this is where I want you guys to start, because it's very easy for me to teach you. You're going to get results a lot quicker, and you're going to have no expenses. You're not going to have that Shopify monthly expense. You're not going to have to pay for apps. I mean, it can get very expensive there very quickly, and you know, you haven't even realized a profit yet, and all of a sudden you have money going out every month. So again, my link is down below, my affiliate link. It'll say nicholaslyle.com/ShineOn. It will redirect you to the sign up page. When you sign up, that's how I get credit for introducing you to ShineOn. And beyond that, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. Just leave me a comment below. I do get back to everybody. You could also reach me on Facebook, Skype, email. I'm very accessible. And like I said, use my affiliate link to sign up. You'll get a 15-minute phone call with me. I'll give you some more tips and tricks, and let you know what type of things worked for me and my business partner. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So like I said, if you have any questions, reach out to me. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Oh yeah, and then also I'm going to create tutorials for the people that sign up under my affiliate link. So you'll have some more sales tactics to use, and you know, how to market. I'm an email marketer as well, so I'll teach you how to download your list, how to do follow-up emails. There's going to be a lot of value in getting those tutorials beyond what I just showed you. This is just the tip of the iceberg. This is just to get rolling. There's a lot of things you could do on the back end to make some extra money. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Again, my affiliate link is below, nicholaslal.com/ShineOn. Just click on that, sign up for your account. It's absolutely free. After you do that, just send me an email to support@nicholaslal.com. Let me know that you signed up and what email you signed up under. I'll verify it with ShineOn, make sure that I got credit for you becoming an affiliate. We'll get on that phone call, and then as my tutorials come out, I'll start giving those to you. All right, take care, and hope to see you on ShineOn soon. Bye-bye.